Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Thin Flex series case for Galaxy Z Fold4. Alright, after you've removed the case from the packaging, take the side of the case with the larger opening. There are a few pieces of adhesive to help the case attach firmly to your device. There is one on the interior, two on the top, and two on the bottom. First, remove the film. Grab the small tabs to pull the film off the case. A quick tip is to use a pair of tweezers to grab the tabs to peel off the film. Once the films are removed on the case side with the larger opening, take your device and align the case to the side of the device that includes the external screen. Then, grab the other side of the case, aligning the camera in the top corner, and simply press all around the device until it snaps into place. Once you've done that, take both sides of the device in your hands and press firmly to make sure the adhesive sticks. Finally, do the same thing from top to bottom. And with that, you're good to go.